Let's go to Install Windows Update and Drivers Update. So we check what's need, drivers. Then go to this PC and right-click. Select Manage. After selecting the device manager, you can see the need to install drivers. Now, you can install drivers using Windows Update. Type Windows Update on Windows search area. Select Update. I want to tell you, before installing the update, you select your time zone. Now, you can see installing driver. Maybe getting some time to download drivers, depends on internet speed. You can see device manager area, installing drivers one by one. If the display restart your PC, please restart. Now, you can check the drives. This PC right-click and click Manage. Click Device Manager. Now you can see, complete your drivers. Thank you.